So I'm taking a walk down memory lane the other day in my Google Drive, and I come across this video.
Hello, I'm Matt Hager with Verizon Wireless. Today, I'm going to show you how you can take that oftentimes painful or dreaded task of filing your taxes and make it a little bit easier.
Who the hell is that guy? I don't even recognize him. That's like 10 years ago and apparently about 50 pounds ago. What the hell? And then Lily walks up to me and she puts her hands on my stomach and she goes, "Daddy, I love it. Your tummy's getting so big." They really don't know how to sugarcoat it, do they? And then there's these pants. These pants. You know, I bought these pants 3 years ago when I started carrying a pistol, and they said, buy pants that are one size too big. That way you can carry it inside your waistband and it'll fit comfortably. These pants don't even fit me now. Imagine my surprise when I walked into the bedroom and tried them on. What the hell? No! And that yellow shirt in the video, I still have that shirt. Do you want to see me try that shirt on now? This is fine. Is this what women find sexy? Oh, God. No. Nobody wants to see that. Yeah. And then there's one other thing that happened that I can't really remember right now.
Hey, I just want to let you know, I'm moving out. I'm dating another man, and guess what? We're engaged.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh, yeah. That. Therapy is going to be expensive. So you know what? Enough is enough. I'm fed up with looking like this. And don't even get me started with online dating apps. Have you ever set up an online dating profile? It's not like I can put in there, I swear, I have a great personality. Because all they see is this. I don't get a swipe, a like, a poke, or whatever. I get nothing. It's like a desert of sadness anytime I log onto my device. But you know what? That is going to change starting today. Well, starting tomorrow. I am embarking on a 100-day challenge. Well, hey Google, how many days are left until Christmas?
December 25th, 2020 is in 107 days.
I'm starting on a 107-day challenge. Or actually, I'm starting tomorrow. I'm embarking on a 106-day challenge to drop 40 pounds by Christmas. And guess what? You're going with me. That's right. I'm taking you along for the ride every single day. I'm going to use a variety of cameras, including this one, this camera, and if I can ever get this stupid thing working, this one. Beep, beep, boop. I'm going to shoot little bits of footage every single day, chronicling my journey and the little changes I'm going to make in my life so that I can drop 40 pounds in 106 days. If you want to join along, please hit like and subscribe to my channel as I'm posting everything right here on my channel. Don't burn the house down. Now, don't fear. I'm not going to only post this stuff. I will have other content which is more in line with my channel, but I think this is a very pressing issue. So please drop me a couple of comments, give me some words of encouragement or some tips and tricks if you have them, because I don't know what the hell I'm doing, and I welcome anything that you have to say that can help me drop those 40 pounds in 106 days. So that's it. I'll see you tomorrow on day 1 and look for a new video in 7 days. Thanks for watching. God dang, these buttons are like invincible.